Honey, your dinner's ready. It's in the kitchen if you can come get it, please.
Get the hell out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft!
Oh, son, I'm sick and tired of your rude behavior towards me. You know, I've had enough of it. I've really had enough. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry, son.
Mom, don't leave!
Hey, Remy.
Yeah, what?
Hey, Remy. Hey, Remy.
What?
Hey, Remy. Hey, Remy. Hey, Remy.
What?
Hey, Remy.
What?
Hey, Remy.
What do you want?
Knife. What the heck? Hey,
Hello there.
I have a job interview for 12 p.m.
Yeah, sure. Let me just get that set up for you, okay?
Wait, but before you go, what are all these bodies here?
They didn't do their jobs properly, so I had to exile them.
You know what? I don't really want this job anymore, so
Yes, you do.
Okay, yeah, of course. Just set me up. I'll have the job. You know what? I'll do it for free. Go on. Just where do I go?
Cool. What happened? Joe! I thought you were in prison. Hey,
I got out yesterday. And the first thing I knew I'd kill all your employees just to get back at you for being so selfish with your company. I'm going to kill you, okay?
What?
I'm going to kill you.
No.
I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you.
I shoot you, Joe. I shoot you. Don't go away.
I'm going to kill you, Joe.
Is he gone? Oh God.
Boo.
He's behind me, isn't he?
What's the time? You alright, bro?
Yeah, it's not opposite day.
It's not opposite. That means it is opposite day.
Wait, what? Don't shoot me!
That means shoot me, because it's opposite day.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
You underestimate my power.
Don't cry it, you little bean.
Alright, I'm forcing you down there. Use the force. No. Oh, hey, Jono. Working hard or hardly working? Yeah, that's what I thought. You're dead. I hate you. Dude, I think she finally likes me. Shall I ask her out?
Yeah, shoot your shot, bro.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna spy on my dad doing a poo. Look, my dad's pooping.
Son, please,
you're pooping.
Get out!
Look.
Get out!
Smack your bum. Smack your bum. Smack, 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 smack. I'm smacking his bum. Smack. Gun up the bum. Gun up the bum. Gun up the bum. Gun up the bum.
Good.
Remy, stop! Remy, stop! Remy, it's not nice to kill him. Don't kill him. No, Remy, just put the gun down. Put the gun down.
He's already dead.
Put the gun down. No matter what they say or do, you shouldn't kill anyone. Just put the gun down, okay? Okay, sweetheart, just put the gun down. It's not worth it.
Oh.
Ugh, it's not worth it. Just put the gun down. Come on, it's okay. I trust you. I know there's good in you. It's okay. Just calm down, yeah? Never use a gun. Never use a gun.
I found out that your mum's gay.
Never say anything about my mum again!
This toilet is so hard to clean. There must be an easier way.
Hi, I'm Derek Bum, and I'm declaring war on toilets with new toilet grenade. Just pull the pin, pop it in the bowl, put the lid down, and let toilet grenade do the rest. Bang! And the lime scale's gone!
Toilet grenade! Bang! And the germs are gone!
Honey, I'm home. What the hell happened? No! Honey, no! Son, is that you? Son? Son, where are you? Son! What happened? What happened?
A man came in and killed Mummy and everyone.
Oh my goodness. Well, you don't get to be lucky.
This kitchen is so hard to clean. If only there was an easier way.
Hi, I'm Derek Bum. Say goodbye to daily stains and dirty surfaces with new Kitchen Gun.
This sink is filthy, but just 3 shots from Kitchen Gun. And it sparkles like new. Look how it cleans this greasy hob.
Goodbye, dirt!
Get out of here right now. I'm pissed. Dilling you in the face! Jimmy, don't jump! You have so much to live for! Jimmy, don't jump, please. I love you so much. No, I love you! No! Jimmy!
Yes, you were so good.
Who ate all my chicky nuggies? Face, come here now. Come here now.
I'm
Who
sorry,
ate
but that was
my
me.
chicky nuggies?
No, wait. I can explain. I was about to die of starvation, and if I didn't